season. This is the season. Chat, I am not ending stream until we win a fucking ring. Hey, hate check. Well. Look who done caught up to Michael Jeffrey Jordan. Ain't that some? Let's go. Chat predictions. Do we win a championship this year? I will not jump in. No jump ins. I'll jump in to watch. I won't jump in to play. This is our lineup. Deadlift off the bench. I love that. Lionel Hollins, you might get a lot less minutes because you're not that fucking good, but you're here for the defense. Yeah, you definitely need more minutes. You've been balling ever since you got in the league. There, I'll take the extra center. We're gonna get big. Play through star, patient offense, protect the paint. We're physical as fuck. And I ain't gonna lie, first time we're gonna use the mentorship because I ain't gonna lie, Deadlift, you have another sharpshooter at your position on the team. Learn how to fucking shoot the goddamn ball. Let's get it. You lost to Jordan in the opener. I don't even care about the regular season. I want to see this team make the playoffs. I want to see this team. We're positive. Chat, we're positive. Abort mission. Sit down. Everybody sit down. Everybody sit down and shut the fuck up. Akeem, get back on this goddamn court. We're positive. Come on. 28-11. Akeem took a hit to his numbers, but that's because Del Curry came rookie year. Del Curry giving us 12. Dan. Mark Price, rookie season, giving us 11-7. Deadlift, still not the most efficient player, but it doesn't hurt when he's off the bench. X is still balling for us. Josh Elliott, what a hell of a backup center we found. And I ain't gonna lie, he's having a down year this year, but that's fine because Luke Walters has stepped up huge. Lionel Hollins is finally starting to fall off like I thought he would in terms of efficiency, but it doesn't matter. You know how deep we're in this shit? You wanna know how deep we're in this shit? Watch this. Let's make a trade. I just want to scout around, see what's available. Type shit. Can't afford it. Look, who is a tradable player on this team? Who's the most expensive tradable player we have? I'll give up Deadlift for the right motherfucker. So I'll give up Shrimp for the right motherfucker. Yeah, Deadlift is kind of better than everybody except Fat. I wanted to trade for Fat Lever. I'll give you. Wait, chat. Now, let's really think about this. We have Mark Price, but if Mark Price is off the bench, Lionel Hollins doesn't have to play. Hell, we can trade Lionel Hollins in this trade. Give up 2 first. We would have to resign Fat. That's a good point, but I sell my soul for a championship. Let's do it. Fuck. You get 1 more pick, and I'm not bluffing. I'm not doing 4. I'm not doing 4 first. You get 3 first. That's it. You get 3. The reason why you can get the 3rd one, we have 87, we have 88. I won't need 89 by that point in time. But I tell you what, oh yeah, we gone. I draw a line there. Dale Ellis kind of balling. We've had our eye on Dale Ellis for some time now, chat. If you're telling me I can get rid of this 32-year-old Lionel Hollins, I send him an 87 first, maybe a couple of seconds. Let's go. I'll take that. Let's go. They didn't want to pay Dale. We'll pay Dale. They're the 2 seed. I will pay Dale. Don't even worry about the Mavs. Former 6th man of the year. Huge upgrade to our bench. Let's win a chip. This averaged 38.5, 4.5, 5.5, 2.7 in a block on 60, 41, 80, basically 5 splits. You can go to fucking hell, Michael Jordan. Fuck the Kings. Kenny Walker, Rookie of the Year, Jamal Wilkes. No, that's what the fuck I'm talking about. We ain't letting Jordan do nothing alone. Anytime Jordan do something great, we right there. And that's just how it's gonna be for the rest of this league. That's just how it's gonna be. You thought Jordan was on this award show and Big Akeem wasn't? Goofy, fluky. Man, that's how the fuck I'm coming, man. Let's fucking go. And I got Executive of the Year. Apparently my name is Johnny McCaw. What'd I tell you? What now chat, what the fuck I tell you? He first team? Well, you know who else first team? Hey. Hey, Mark. Hey, AIM might have made the right pick. I know a lot of y'all were mad at AIM for saying Mark Price. AIM might have made the right pick. We're the 4 seed. What the fuck? Okay. Let's get it. Ain't scared of his punk ass.
That's how we coming. We gonna make
these settings just for these niggas. 9-man rotation. Mark Price, you the talk of the town. I know what y'all thinking. Who the hell is gonna guard Magic Johnson? Everyone. Against these niggas. Patient offense, feed the post.
They ain't got no bigs. We've waited
for this day. Let's go. Come on.
They didn't want no big.
They can't fuck with Akeem. Come on. That's 1. They can't fuck with Keem down there.
Get him, Keem.
Slow the game down, Keem. Get him, Keem. Get him, Keem. Get him, Keem.
Cuts off the pass.
What the pass is that? Good shit, Shrimp.
Dunn sets a screen for Johnson.
Fuck ass, no.
Passes
Shoot
it to
that,
Dunn.
boy.
Pick.
Hell
Shot
nah,
clock
hell
fouled.
nah. It is.
Elijah Wan with the
Good shit, Keem.
outside.
Keem, get it to Keem. Get it to Keem. Just get it to Keem.
The three. Rebound the Lakers.
Come on, man.
To the inside. Paxson.
Let's go.
Plays
Points.
at the right time.
Points.
That's such a big play here in a close game like this one. Great
Nice.
concentration.
122
Come here,
left in the
Keem.
fourth quarter.
Get it to him. Come on, Keem. All day. Us.
And it's blocked.
Solid
Fight for
D
that.
from Cooper using that
There it is. Come on.
athleticism to deny a
1
shot.
point. 1 point. Come on. Get back there, Keem. No call. Good D. Let's go. Keem deal.
Paxson outside to take the lead. And that'll be 2 free throws coming up. Officials out.
Give me these free throws. Huge.
That's the first, and that ties the game up. And so making both free throws.
A great foul. During the
Yes,
break,
sir.
we told him, look, guys, we're running out of
Stay
time.
on them. Stay
We're
on
gonna make a
them. Stay
move.
on
It's gotta
them.
be now.
Hands up.
Are you guys
Hands
ready
up.
to make a
Come on.
move?
Dance.
We're all
Dance.
nodding.
Give him the ball.
Inside.
Eat.
Here's
Eat.
Elijah Wan.
Let's kick out.
Seattle
like
needs
this.
to get off a shot.
Come on, Dan.
Elijah Wan trying to break free.
Now that is how you combo.
He has biggest shot of the game, and he converts it.
12 seconds left in the fourth quarter of this one. Johnson, the pass to Cooper.
Oh,
The run.
rebound.
Misses the tray.
In this one, that's the right play.
They need every second
Money.
they can get at this point. Do whatever.
So he goes 2 for 2 at the line.
Easy. Akeem Olajuwon with 27 and 15 clutch blocks in the goddamn fourth. Supersonics up 2-0.
Price is out for 2 to 4 weeks.
Mark Price is out for 2 to 4 weeks. John Paxson hasn't been performing that well, but we have
John Paxson for this exact situation.
Nico. We need you to elevate in the big moments. We're calling
Calling the young point guard.
first quarter to do this for Mark. One more quarter. Come on, fight. We're getting in here. 4 points. Come on, Dan. Don't let me down, Dan. Let's go.
And so he makes both from the line. To Worthy.
Hell no. Get that, King.
Elijah Wan with the block.
Stay on him. Stay on
Here's
him.
Washburn.
Stay on him.
Worthy trying to break free. And there's the shot clock violation. Didn't get the shot off in time.
Take your time. Take your time. Take your
To
time.
tie it up. No good there. Worthy with the defensive effort.
Man, don't let him get into it. It is.
From
Give him
18
that
feet
shot.
away. And too long on the shot.
Well,
Give him the ball. Let's go. Go to work.
Fade away.
Hit that. Let's
And
go.
Paul coming up. Paxson's got assist now.
Help.
They
Shit,
double
man.
team Johnson. Over Paxson. And the shot is good from Johnson. Basket is good.
And one. And one.
And the free throw is good. Now leading by 1.
Points. No points. Get over it.
The pass to
Still.
Johnson. It's tipped.
Let's go. Oh, stop. Stop what you're doing. Give him the ball. Give him the ball.
Lets it go from 14. To rebound by Richard.
Boy, that's got to be terribly frustrating there. I mean, with the defense not hustling.
Oh, she do that.
And the Lakers with possession here. It's a
Hell
one-point
no.
game.
Let's go. You on that.
Nice shot.
Keem.
26 seconds left here in the fourth
Get
quarter.
it again. Go up.
And an intentional foul there stops the clock.
He ain't never gonna let me down.
He doesn't hit the first, and that was... And he does get the second one. Johnson, the pass to
Anybody but
Richards.
Magic scores. Anybody but Magic scores. If they go to OT, it's
Johnson
not
against
because of him.
Paxson. It's in! And tie game. That is a huge basket right there.
Keem. Do it. Give him the ball and get the fuck out the way. Let him work. All 15 seconds. Let him work. Give him the ball and get the fuck out the way. No shot. Get Keem the ball now. Now. Let it touch his hands.
Olajuwon on the wing. They could win it. Oh, it's off the mark. And we're going
That's what should have been last time. They just got him in there easy.
It's hauled in by Los Angeles. Richards passes to Johnson. It counts, and the foul.
Not the least of which is his sheer size and strength as a point guard.
Akeem.
Rebound the Lakers.
What you doing?
Rebound to Worthy.
This scrub ass nigga look like.
Johnson goes up and
Yo,
lays it.
this nigga Magic is scoring every fucking time. Double this nigga. Trap him. Price, come on down.
Here's
Foul
Curry with
something.
the three. The offensive rebound.
Good shit, Dan. Let's go.
In overtime here, a minute and a half off the clock. He doesn't hit that one.
Way to
And
snack
it's
that
Seattle, the right wing. Nice ball
It is.
movement
I'll
by
take that.
Seattle. Knocks it
Oh,
outside.
no. Y'all trolling. Y'all trolling.
From the arc. It's hauled in by Los Angeles.
Nah, you can't shoot that bullshit and break it.
And there's the feed to Johnson.
Team right there.
Oh, and the jam by Johnson.
For that time, making sure the ball.
Mark
We're
one.
just over 2.5 minutes into it. Here's Paxson. Worthy pulls it in.
Help me down.
The 11-footer. Washburn. Good.
Where was Axe? He fouled out. Him and Dale fouled out. Two best matchups for fucking Magic fouled out. We're giving Nico Smiley Geek a shot. Giving Nico a shot because that nigga John's selling like, fuck, come on, it's 1 quarter. There we go. 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 What I fucking tell you? That nigga Goggles, he's gone. He ain't had nobody for Akeem. He choked. Game 3 is fine. It happens. He made up for it though. Dominating win. Get this nigga Magic the fuck up on out of here. Who's next? Well, ain't that just unfortunate? Ain't that just, damn, that's just unfortunate. They're not healthy. Show must go on. Get on Clyde X. You know your role. You know your role. Let's get it. Come on. It's 2 quarters. Let's fuck. Oh, that's one. Easy. Shit for you, boy. Get another one. Get another one. I want them Portland crying. Get another one. Oh, that's not looking good. You ain't getting that one. Wait. No, you ain't getting it. Fine, we stole one. We stole game 1. We stole game 1. That's 1. That's 2 quarters. That's a blowout 2nd quarter. Oh yeah, that's us. That's us. We stole what we needed to steal. We stole what we needed to steal. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Same strat. Come on. Tie ball game. We barely won that one. Come on. Give me a 4th quarter push.
Coming off a hamstring injury, understandably so. Those and 1 plays.
There's 10 seconds left in the game.
Yeah, all they can do is send him to the line and hope for some misses.
And he cannot get the first one to drop. Tough.
6 has great size in his position. He looks to score.
Rush into Akeem. Get into Akeem now. Get into Akeem now. Run the ball.
To win it. Oh, that shot at a chance, but no good. And so the big win.
Perfect timing. Get your bum ass off the fucking court. Get your bum ass off my fucking court. Selfish. You know what the fuck you selfish ass. That was a selfish shot. You had Akeem 1-on-1 with I don't even know the fuck who. But you said this is about you making a name for yourself. You're done. A little bit more Akeem ain't never hurt nobody. Come on. Hell nah. Come back. There it is. Fight for that. They don't even want it for real. Mark done came back on 1 leg to play for y'all. We in there. Mark came back on 1 motherfucking leg to play for y'all. Y'all better motherfucking get this done. I will dead quit this game. Why is he playing? Did it not save my rotation? It didn't save my rotation. Oh, he dick. I don't give a fuck. Y'all call it. Nope. Call it what you want. He ain't playing. Nope. Didn't happen. Let's try that again with Mark Price out there. I don't even give if we lose, win, draw this game. That nigga Mark Price will be out there. Still jumping in. Bum ass nigga. Fucking
Price dishes to Elijah.
White boy on you.
Over Alexander. Back to Price. From about 19 feet. And off the left side of the rim. And
Instant difference.
Wham. Just 3 to shoot.
Upper that King. Shit.
And no good. So an opportunity here.
Hop that.
Seizing the lead right now would be huge.
Boy, they do
Come on,
right
man.
there.
Gotta give me that.
Paxson. Down low.
Hell nah, ball center.
And foul on the shot, so he'll get a chance at the line. And the first of two, no good.
It's
Curry
29%.
checked in.
Fraud-ass
He's able to hit.
pass out.
Now, here's Price. Defense right on him. Can't tie it up as that one's no good.
Shot often with no defensive coverage. He's got to be kicking himself he didn't make that one. A big time.
And here's Price. Elijah on inside, then outside. Thompson a screen on Curry. Paxson passes to Thompson.
I'm gonna get it. Dale all the way, come on. Trash.
No good. That would have tied it.
There wasn't enough resistance to prevent him from scoring that one.
Matt. No good on the shot.
You have to stay calm in these situations.
Here's Elijah Wan. That misses. Had a chance to tie it there.
Yeah, every second that ticks away plays to their advantage.
And now we've got the intentional foul. Good on the first, and then he's checked in 4 outs. And so he drops them both. It's a 4-point ball game. 26 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Here's Issel, and misses it off the right side of the...
We held Clyde Drexler to fucking 6 points, and you niggas couldn't stop John Paxson, dog. Not gonna lie, Del Curry, you playing like Yeeks. I'm tired. Del Curry, you playing like Yeeks, and I'm tired of it. You sit down. Also, no cap, we're just gonna go 8-man because you suck. Let's go. These trash cans off my screen, bro. Come on, come on. No more trash on the court. Y'all gonna die on that court for we have some trash out there. Blow their ass the fuck out, and we gonna do it again. Blow their ass the fuck out, and let's do it again. Come on, come on. Come on. We in there. Let's go.
Here's Price. Pass to Elijah Wan. To take the
that
lead.
nigga fuck
It's
off.
good, and it's Price with the assist. Price
Rest
has got his
after the
7th
game.
assist.
Y'all not on that.
Pass to Paxson. Shot clock at 6. And a screen on Price.
Come on, Keem. Easy,
Stolen
please. Let's
by
go.
Elijah.
Easy. One more. Heat.
And the layup's good off the glass. 4-point.
4 points. I don't give
And
a fuck.
break
Till that shit say 0-0.
for the Supersonics. The Drexler. What a finish!
Putting some style.
Address the team. He said, "This is what we play for, fellas. Let's knock them on their heels right under the
Your time, goddamn,
Show 'em how
on the
much
side.
you Go get it." He really is fired up about this game.
All right, David, thank. That's all
Dan.
good. And 11 now.
Vet the ball
That
sometimes,
is a
man.
big
5 on the shot clock.
Hell no.
Seattle grabs the miss. Here's McDaniel. Elijah on the left. Zard. From the wing. Here's Red. Boom. He jams it straight down.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all was selling the shit out of the game right now.
Now they have a legitimate chance to win this thing.
Shoots a fader. Portland grabs the miss. The screen from Thompson to take the lead. Ed tried to break free. And Thompson with a nice bucket inside. The Sox
Lock
trail.
in.
Inside. Here's Elijah Wan.
Get it. Pass.
Jackson.
Come on, King. You want the game to be in your hands,
This
you gotta
is
make
an
the
important
motherfucking shot.
possession here.
Dan, come on, Dan.
See how well they execute now. Calm, collect ball.
Pass to
Yeah.
Thompson.
No shot.
It falls.
Need to put
Sell
stiff defense right
Thompson.
here.
Yes, if the
Avoid
defense doesn't
one
run
King.
it,
Avoid one King. Take the open shot.
Pass to Elijah Wan.
Tired of seeing him force shots. Take the open shot.
It's on.
Take that.
Hey, sometimes
Get him, King.
First free throw is good, and Elijah Wan drops them both.
excellent composure.
Now here's Paxson.
No shot. Let's go 5. Hell no.
Over
Good
Ellington.
D. OT was in.
Oh, and he had a chance to win it right there, but well, 4 quarters were in. Here's Matt. He feeds it to Thompson. Good on the 7-footer. Thompson's got the first basket here in overtime for Portland. Here's Olajuwon, and it's denied.
Stop. Just challenging that big ass. Stop.
Now, Valentine passes to Thompson. A second chance effort. He takes it up and brings it in. Pass to Whistle. 4 on the shot clock. The shot, no good. Good D by Drexler. Dishes to Valentine. Back to Drexler. The lead pass was put in just the right spot. Falling apart for him.
And they need to recover as soon as possible.
Shot by Whistle, no good. The ball for the Trailblazers.
Boy, defensively, that's great anticipatory and outcome of a game.
Now, here's Price. Fader on the way. And the basket by Olajuwon. 5 minutes gone by. Here's Nat. Red tried to break free. Nat misses. Passes it to Whistle. 2-5 on the clock. Rebounded by Drexler. Valentine with it. And he uses the glass on the layup. To the middle. The jump hook. Tries again. And it's Portland with the rebound. Red's got rebound number 12 here already in the game. Dremt. The tray.
Next target. Next target. That's all that is. We ain't in a lottery, so we ain't gotta waste our time with this. Got the 10th pick in the draft. David Robinson, Kevin Johnson, Scottie Pippen, Kenny Smith. You know what I'm saying? Fine. Someone type 71 wins to second round exit. That's fine and all, but no. Should have been a championship. We got out the teams that we were afraid of, and we lost because Akeem Olajuwon sold, and everyone else on the team couldn't play defense, and we had 2 stupid guards on the fucking court. It's fine. It's fine. I know what play I'm about to make. I know what play I'm about to make, chat. Pick 1, David Robinson, expected that. Pick 2, Scottie Pippen, expected that. Kenny Smith did not expect that. Don't want to let Kevin Johnson slide. We have Mark Price. I don't need to get greedy there. Okay. Now, I'm not going to look a gifted horse in the mouth. I can get Ken Johnson at 6. Can't even trade up. Didn't even pick him. Fuck it. We're just going to stay strong. They got Horace. They got Randy. We're pushing luck. I want to trade up now. 9 to 10, 9 to 10, 9 to 10. I'll give you some seconds, bruh. I'll give you some seconds, and this player I don't care about. I don't care about Josh no more. I don't care about that nigga no more either. Fucking hell, bruh. Don't do this, bruh. Some bullshit, bro. Me and Reggie Williams put Dale at the 2. Supposed to have Kenny Johnson. It was fun. Or Kevin Johnson. We're gonna get back to liveliness, but this is off season is a season of vengeance. This off season is a season of vengeance. And this off season is a season of improvement too. Like I said, I'm not ending until we want to win a chip. I don't give a f. Akeem's a fucking 95 now, Chad. He's a fucking 95 now, bro. Like look at the development, bro. Our team is gonna be him one day, but god damn, that hurt, bro. We're supposed to win that one. Him and Jordan are literally the same overall. Akeem wants this ring. Play through star. Crash the glass, protect the paint, neutral aggression for now. No risk of injuries. Let's go. We're 8-5. We beat the Blazers twice in a regular season. If the killers with this team, we just need to be patient, but I'm not doing that. Like that. Like I want to win tomorrow. F that. All right, let's look at the stats in general. Akeem's back to averaging 28. Dell Curry's having a crazy comeback season. That's what I'm talking about. This last year was fucking inefficient buns. This is having a crazy comeback season. Shout out to Mark Price stepping it. Everybody's stepping it up this year. Bob, I ain't gonna lie. I got time for no scrubs, bro. I actually like how my team's playing right now. We're 33-9. I want to keep the chemistry. I'll sign whatever's looking the weakest right before. But we're having our best season thus far. Bob Hansen's the only head scratcher on the team. And I'll accept that, but I'm not gonna not do anything about it. So we're gonna get somebody. Wait, is that Tony Campbell? Oh, I'm getting Tony Campbell. Worst case, I get a motherfucking defender out here. Let's go.
This
Is what
we've been waiting for.
we're not here to fuck around.
Around anymore.
It's time.
26 and a half, 14.
seed against the Andy Johnson. Let's go. Oh yeah, it sounds. Again. Playing with these fucking fools. Get them out. That's it.
These are the same
Rockets that have leapfrogged us in the draft
3 times.
or 2.
Oh, fucking hell, it felt like 3.
The team you see on your screen is
Down to them, literally, it is 3.
leapfrogging us
3 times.
It's payback. Beat their ass. Fucking ass. I'm not jumping in. Do it again. You know what they stole from us. Time in and time out. We'll steal something from them. It was trash. In chest. I want them to, that we felt draft. I'm not jumping in. Fight. Do it again. Close it. It's not strong enough. 2 up. 2 games determine who won the war. Odell, let's get it. Let's get it. Come on. We won that. I ain't jumping in. Defensive masterclass. 1 more ring. I mean, fucking game. We are up 10. Akeem has 13. Dan with
By far his best playoff game of the fucking month.
showing up huge in the final with 10 points. Deadlift with 7. Moses finally got that going a little bit, but X is
Locking this nigga Michael Adams up.
we're watching this.
You started a war you couldn't finish, baby.
It's not my problem.
Seattle Supersonics have won the NBA championship. Oh, to be crowned a champion on the road is something else. To win a team, and you've conquered everything that this great arena holds.
Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Now you know. Yeah. Just give him the whole fucking thing. You know. MVP. What are you talking about, nigga? 25 and 15. Hey, chat. Correct me if I'm wrong. But before we go, this nigga got a ring. Blood has a ring. He ain't winning shit. That bum ass gambler. The fuck up on out of here. 1 ring, and it's just the beginning.